Hi guys! Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bago kong video.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bago kong videos. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, ang video na share ko sa inyo ngayon ay tungkol sa PhilHealth. Kung ano-ano ang mga ID na pwede ninyong ipasa sa PhilHealth. So, just keep on watching, guys. Ngayon, sasabihin ko na sa inyo kung ano-ano ang mga ID na pwede ninyong ipasa sa PhilHealth. So, may listahan ako dito. Yan. Ang proof of identity and age to. Ha? Ito ay 18 years old and above. Ang ibabanggit ko na mga valid IDs o yung pwede ninyong ipasa sa PhilHealth. Una, yung baptismal certificate, pwede yon. GSIS, SSS, ID, passport, driver's license, Professional Regulatory Commission or PRC, ID, NBI clearance, police clearance, voter's ID, postal ID, senior citizen card or senior citizen ID, pwede yun. OWA ID para sa mga OFW, pwede yun. OFW ID para sa mga OFW din. Ito naman yung Alien Certification of Registration or Immigrant Certification of Registration. Pwede din yun. Identification cards issued by recognized government institutions, agencies, corporation. Certificate from the National Council for the Welfare of Disabled Persons. Tapos yung DSWD ID at LSWDO certification. Tapos yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines Identification Card, company IDs issued by private entities or institutions registered with or supervised or regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, Securities and Exchange Commission, or Insurance Commission. Pwede din ang barangay certificate or barangay certification subject for validation. Ito naman yung ID for minors. So, 18 years old below. Certificate of live birth for newborn, baptismal certificate, school ID pag below 18 years old siya, guys, ha. Passport, police clearance, tapos yung alien certification of registration or immigrant certification of registration. Ito yung mga foreigner. Okay? Tapos certification from the National Council for the Welfare of Disabled Persons. Department, tapos yung Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD. Yung ID nila, pwede yun. Tapos yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines Identification Card. At yung Barangay Certification but subject for validation. Yun. Para naman sa birth certificate, ang birth certificate kailangan talaga, guys, is PSA registered or verified kasi yun talaga ang hihingin ng PhilHealth sa inyo. Yun ang isa sa mga requirements na kailangan ninyong ipasa. Hi guys, ito pala ang mga list of valid IDs or a valid identification cards. Ito yung sa edad na 18 years old and above. Una dito, yung baptismal certificate. Yan, pwede nyo yung ipasa sa PhilHealth. Isa sa mga requirements. GSIS or SSS membership ID. Passport. Driver's license. Professional Regulatory Commission or PRC ID. NBI clearance, pwede din yon. OFW ID kung kayo ay OFW. OWA ID, ito ay para sa mga OFW din. Barangay certification, but ito ay subject for validation, guys. And then, company IDs issued by the private entities or institutions, integrated bar of the Philippines identification card. Yan yung company IDs. Alien of registration, immigration certification of registration, identification cards issued by recognized government institution, agencies, corporation. Pwede din ang postal ID kung meron kayo, voters ID. Para sa mga senior citizen, ito yung senior citizen card. At ang police clearance. Pwede yan, guys. Yan. Ito naman, guys, ang list of valid IDs para sa mga minors or below 18 years old. Isa na dito ang birth certificate, newborn, baptismal certificate, school ID, passport, kung may passport sila, police clearance, tapos yung alien certification of registration, immigrant certification of registration, certification from the National Council for Welfare of Disabled Person, yan, pwede din yan. Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD, at saka yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines Identification Card, at ang barangay certification, pero ito po ay subject for validation. Ayan, kasi sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede ang barangay certificate o barangay certification, pwede po siya, pero ito po ay subject for validation. I-check pa po ito or i-valid pa po ito. Validation pa po ito ng PhilHealth. Sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede ang NSO, hindi po pwede ang NSO. Kailangan po talaga PSA birth certificate. Kasi yan ang isa sa mga requirements na hihingin ng PhilHealth pag pupunta na kayo at ipasa nyo ang inyong mga requirements.